Steve here, ShenRC. Just want to share a little tip with you guys with this Vanquish. I seen Tamiya Legends do his build and he used different shocks. And he said something about the front without a lot of travel. And I thought that also about the buggy. So what I found out, stock form, you don't have to switch the shocks. All you do is pull out the bottom spacer here, like I did on this one. Let the spring fall down and put one of these clips that they give you when you build your kit. This one right here, you put it in the top. And what that does is it gives you like an extra ½ inch of travel over the stock side here. Let me try to show you. It's hard with one hand. See how much travel you get? And now with this side, there's a lot more. Let me see if I could show you guys better. If I hold this and I pull the shocks up, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but the right side goes up higher. This one here. And it gives you more suspension. And it feels better also. And I also put 10 weight shock oil in these. It works much better than the stock one they give you in the kit. So let me show you real quick how you do this. All you do, pull up on the spring, get this little piece out here, let this fall down, get from your kit the extra little spacer for these shocks, put it right in like that. Now your suspension has more travel. It's much better. Well guys, that's a tip from ShenRC. Hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Please like, comment, subscribe if you can. Thanks a lot guys, appreciate it. Later. Beauty.